HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing, the ultimate handbook for profitable niches, targeted traffic, and maximizing sales for your affiliate marketing business by HowExpert. Are you ready to start earning online and build a profitable affiliate marketing business? Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to refine your strategies, HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing is the ultimate resource to help you succeed. This book simplifies the process with step-by-step guidance to achieve consistent results and long-term success. Packed with actionable advice, this guide covers everything from choosing profitable niches to scaling your business so you can create a sustainable income stream that grows with you. Introduction. Learn how this guide can help you build a thriving affiliate business and achieve your financial goals. Chapter 1. The Foundations of Affiliate Marketing. Understand the principles, benefits, and challenges of affiliate marketing. Chapter 2. Mastering Niche Selection. Discover how to select high-demand, profitable niches that align with your strengths. Chapter 3. Choosing and evaluating affiliate programs. Explore platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank to find the best opportunities. Chapter 4. Network Marketing and its role in affiliate marketing. See how network marketing complements affiliate strategies. Chapter 5. Building a strong online presence. Create a professional website and leverage social media to attract your target audience. Chapter 6. Crafting high-converting content. Develop compelling content, from product reviews to calls to action, to boost conversions. Chapter 7. Driving targeted traffic to your offers. Master techniques like SEO, email marketing, and social media to bring quality traffic to your site. Chapter 8. Maximizing conversions and boosting sales. Learn strategies to optimize conversion rates and increase commissions. Chapter 9. Automating and scaling your business with AI. Use AI tools to streamline operations and grow efficiently. Chapter 10. Strategies for scaling your affiliate marketing business. Automate processes, outsource tasks, and expand into new markets. Chapter 11. Navigating legal and ethical standards. Stay compliant while building trust through ethical practices. Chapter 12. Analyzing and optimizing your performance. Use data to refine strategies, improve ROI, and outpace competitors. Chapter 13. Overcoming challenges and staying resilient. Discover tips to stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Chapter 14. Case studies, examples, and actionable strategies. Learn from examples and actionable insights to apply directly to your business. Chapter 15. The Future of Affiliate Marketing. Stay ahead of the curve with emerging trends shaping the industry. Conclusion. Recap key lessons, reinforce strategies, and inspire ongoing growth. Appendices. Access tools, templates, and resources to support your success. Why this guide is valuable for affiliate marketers. Find your perfect niche. Identify niches with high demand and low competition to maximize profits. Drive high-quality traffic. Discover proven strategies using SEO, email marketing, and social media. Build a business that scales. Leverage automation and outsourcing to grow efficiently while saving time. Stay compliant and ethical. Create a trustworthy business that thrives on authentic relationships and long-term results. Take action today. This book provides the tools, strategies, and insights to build a thriving affiliate marketing business. Whether you're looking for a steady side hustle or striving for financial freedom, this guide is your roadmap to success. Start building your dream business today. Get your copy of HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing and create the thriving, sustainable business you deserve. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.